Today we have some confirmed footage of the DJI Air 2S happily paired and flying away with the RC Pro controller. This shows that, as expected, the new DJI RC Pro is indeed backwards compatible, should it be unlocked. So what is happening? I'll update you next. My name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. As well as news updates like this one today, we also bring you a wide range of content focused on drones and tech. So if that's something you would like more of, hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications to get told about the next videos. Over the weekend, a viewer from China kindly reached out to Geeksvana to let us know that he had recently seen and now purchased a DJI Air 2S combo in the DJI flagship store in Beijing that actually seemed to include the DJI RC Pro controller, which of course is the second gen controller that, as we're told at the moment, is currently only officially compatible with the DJI Mavic 3. Now, we've seen a few pictures across Twitter showing the combo box, which did indeed seem to show the RC Pro controller, but this time, thanks to Bryan Kim, we actually now have some pictures and video of the drone working with the controller. Now, this is of course going to give those owners of DJI Air 2S's, Mavic 2 Pros, even the Mini 2, the OcuSync 2.0 drones, a lot of hope that perhaps DJI are going to roll this out across their entire network globally. Time will tell on that, certainly. For those of you who are new to the story, this one has been rolling since the launch of the DJI Mavic 3 and of course the RC Pro, which was actually bundled with the Cine drone, or you could actually purchase it separately. Now, there has, of course, now been talk of the fact that come January, come early next year, DJI are going to start putting the RC Pro with the Mavic 3 combo, something that will not particularly be greeted pleasantly by those who have just purchased them separately. But that's another story, certainly. But in terms of cross-compatibility, the move to package the RC Pro together with the Air 2S could be something to do with the chip shortages, it could be a controlled test of demand, or something else. But certainly it shows at least that the thing that we all suspected is correct, that the RC Pro is indeed already backwards compatible. It would appear it just needs an update from DJI, and away we go. Thank you again to the Geeksvana viewer Bryan Kim from Beijing, who sent these photos and video across. I really appreciate it, Brian. I hope you're having a great week. We will, of course, keep you fully informed of any further developments in this story, and fingers crossed for that update to allow the backwards compatibility soon. If you're still watching this video right now, please hit that like button, as it does help the YouTube algorithm. Sean out.